Hi, class 55. How are you today? Hi, everyone. Jackson, Serena, Adam, and Will, and Ivy, Wendy, and Loretta Logan. Okay, so happy you are here today. And then what we are going to do today is the second video. We're going to check out workbook. The first one, we will talk about Unit 4. So we want to do Unit 4, Lesson 1 and 2. And then for the before, after Unit 3, and we supposed to talk about the Trojan horse. Okay, this is a very famous story. Um, so in Greece, so it's a Greek story. So we're gonna talk about it later. I want everybody to look up the words, and next time we can talk about. So today we want to do unit 4, 1 and 2. All right. So I'm gonna have everybody to look at our word definition. The words that will be read in Unit Lesson 1. Okay, clean up, clean up. You clean something, you clean up to make a place clean and like really clean. No garbage, no litter. So we learn litter today. Litter and no pollution, 没有污染 pollution. Okay, so 没有纸屑，没有污染。Okay, so you can find litter in the water, in the ocean, or in the air, and everywhere. So you want to clean. In this case, they're going to the wildlife park to do the cleanup. Number 2, damage. You're gonna hurt something and do something really bad to it. Okay. For example, you hit the wall and the wall has a big hole and then you do the damage on it. You damage the wall, okay? Or you drop your computer, you damage your computer, okay? Damage, 破坏, okay? And the very important word is the next one, especially talk about recycle, protect our planet. We call it the environment. The environment means the world around us, so we call it environment. All right. So 叫环境. Do you like your environment that you are living right now? Do you think it's clean? Do you think it's polluted? All right. Keelung is okay, but you live in Taipei or you go to Changhua, the pollution is very serious. Okay, next one is called garbage dump. Garbage dump. You go to the garbage dump to put your garbage and there. So 你今天要学的这个 dump 这个字是很重要的，丢垃圾的地方，对不对？丢垃圾场。Okay, garbage dump. Litter, like paper or other garbage. 它只有讲，它这个归类这样子很模糊。So anything that you just throw on the road, in the street, on the ground, or in the ocean, and then it's not necessary, 不必要的. We call it litter. Okay, so I really don't like people litter everywhere, anywhere. Okay, alright. 下一个字 planet 我们学过，同学常常会把这几个字搞不清楚，再看一下。OK, plan 计划 ，OK, plan 飞机 ，plant 植物。今天我们学的 planet 星球 ，OK, we live on the planet Earth, like Mars, like Earth, we are all live on the planet. I'm sorry, not planets. Okay, so what is a planet? Planet is a big rock in the space that go around the sun. So if you think about something like that, will be Earth or Mars. Okay, all right. Pollution, something that you may water or air or land，三个地方，地上、海上、天空，three things dirty. We call them pollution. Okay, the last one we say is wildlife. Wildlife means the animals and the birds. The places for them to live. We call it wildlife. Okay, so we don't really have a wildlife park in Taiwan, right? So where the animals and birds they can run around anywhere they want. No cages, 没有关起来. Okay, so we're gonna go to our lesson 1 to talk about the lesson that what they try and set out to do. I guess you have a book. I was going to say if you don't have a book, you must have your book and then open to lesson 1. Let's look at it. Okay. I have my book, you have your book, and I put the PDF files on the screen so you can kind of follow me. All right, Finn is at the DSD club. Let's see how much time I have. Okay, wait a minute. I still have a lot of time. All right, so Finn's at the DSD club. All right, so let's read together, everyone. Follow teacher, and then you can look at your books or on the screen. Finn say, "Hi everyone, guess what? A TV crew is making a show about a local wildlife park." So TV crew 是电视台的工作人员 TV crew making a show. Okay, wow, let's go to the wildlife park. We can be on TV. Number 2 is essay. I love this wildlife park. I haven't been here for a long time. Have 加 PP. So我们要学 be 动词，所以要把它变成 have 加 PP。他说 I have 把它变成 be. Okay, but essay I haven't been here for a long time. I like it here too. It's really pretty. Going back to the background here. Okay, so part 3. Part 3 means say, oh, it doesn't look very pretty today. Look at all this litter. 今天很重要的这个字 litter. Okay, that's terrible. Litter really damages the environment. 刚才讲的 damages 破坏。Alright, 所以今天3个重要的字 litter, damage, and environment damage. Okay, essay. Oh dear, those people look very upset. Okay, look at that. That's the people that work in the park, right? And are you okay? Lily asked. No, we are in trouble. Someone dumped a lot of litter here last night. This park is a mess. 各位 a mess 学起来很乱很糟。你可以说这个地方 ，Oh, the room is a mess。你也可以说 I am a mess， 就是乱七八糟，就是情绪不好啦，或者是你没有头绪啊 ，it's a mess. So let me ask you, you guys stay at home. I don't know if your parents are with you or not. And when they come home at 9, do they tell you, say, oh my God, look at you guys, the room is a mess? Do they say that? Think about it. Okay, so part 5. Well, we were checking the park this morning when we found all the litter. Who did this? We don't know, but they have dumped lots of garbage in the river too. Come and see. So these people not only dumped a lot of garbage in the river and also everywhere. So this is terrible, right? And picture number 6. Oh no, this is terrible. I know the river is 学起来 full of 这个很重要 is full of 充满 is full of something 充满什么东西 and so what is it full of in the river is full of pollution full of litter that's terrible alright and the birds are in danger 所以有一个词叫做 in danger 这个很重要就在绝灭中 in danger 他们在危险中就是说他们有可能失去生命的等等 so if all the birds die the birds in the wild park are in danger we might not be able to see any birds in the future in the park okay so what are we going to do the TV crew will be here soon okay so let's look at the time again okay so I hope the whiteboard is helping a little bit but let's look at our reading material the story first okay oh this is not the thing we want okay I pull out the wrong thing so we need to finish it before we go start the video okay so after you read it do you think you remember what they're talking about so for number 2 the children don't want to be on TV is it true or not it's not true it's false because someone who really want to be on TV who wants to be on TV is Kate. Kate said, hey, we can be on TV. And they all say okay because in picture 2, all the children go to the wildlife park. Okay. Number 3, the park looks pretty today. Today when they go to the wildlife park, which is not true, the park looks terrible because someone has dumped a lot of garbage there. Okay. Number 4, someone dumped a litter last week. Not last week, right here. Teacher, this I show you here. Not last week. Someone had dumped a lot of garbage last night, not last week. Okay. So the river is full of pollution. So we found all the river and who did this dumps a lot in the river here. They dump lots of garbage in the river and come and see a lot of garbage. So yes, that's true. 他这一段讲他 dump a lot， 然后他旁边又讲说哦充满了 ，so it's pretty much the same thing， 不是在讲多少的数量，就是景象是 full of。Okay, number 6, the birds are in danger. Yes, you know they don't have a clean water to drink. All right, I think we are about time. I think we could just finish lesson 2, and then we can do something else. Okay. So, 1 minute before we finish, we talk about 这个叫做compound words compound 在这里 compound compound 就是把2个字放在一起叫 compound words。例如说 bookstore right and 例如说我们这里的 wildlife park 2个字放在一起名词才有意思的。Okay, garbage dump, post office, okay, schoolyard, playground, okay, playpen, okay, all those things. 好，你看一下，那我们就下一个第2章节我们来看，第2个 video 我们再来继续，拜拜。